I've partnered with Purity Organic Coffee to feature iced coffee recipes this month, and I'm gonna make one of my very favorites. First of all, I need some decaf, and it's just me. This is brilliant when you just want 1 cup of coffee. These are sachets, and I have the Calm, which is decaf, but all of their coffees are available like this. And it's just a simple packet you could take anywhere, by the way, because all I need is 1 cup of coffee to make this for me. So let's get started. Oh, by the way, I'm making an affogato. I'm gonna claim that that falls under the iced coffee category because it has a cold element, okay? And give me credit for that. First thing I'm gonna add is a shot of amaretto. You can make it without, but I vote that we make it with. Next comes the ice cream. I have vanilla, and we'll do 2 scoops. All right, looks like my coffee's ready. And as always, this smells so good. This is such an easy dessert coffee. So now all I have to do is pour the coffee over my ice cream and amaretto. And the whole thing just gets kind of icy, creamy. It is divine. Trust me on that. This is so delicious.